All aboard! Well, hello and welcome to another edition of Shaky Hands Shed. And in this edition, we'll be doing a sort of mini review on some items I bought from Hornby. A rare occurrence, but they were discounted half the price they should have been. Which then they become a reasonable price, they become viable to buy. I don't view really the prices they're charging today as viable. I view them as extortion really. I'm not saying they're not nice models, but for what they're getting them made for in China and the markup they're putting on them, it's extortionate. Anyway, the first one is a generator coach, and this went for 17 quid, and I've no doubt Hornby would have been charging about 60 quid for it full price, so it becomes worthwhile when it goes down to 17 quid. And this one is one I've wanted for a while, but they've been ridiculously priced. There's no way I'm gonna spend a ton over it. Well, it's over a ton. There's no way I'm gonna spend over a ton on a locomotive this size. Not a chance. And you've probably already seen what it is. But yeah, I've wanted this one for a while. Well, I wanted the little 4-wheel one they did at first, but it didn't go for a reasonable price. Like I said, they're a ton and up, and I'm not paying that for them. Anyway, here we go, unboxing the generator coach. 6 wheels no less. And here we go. As you can see, I'm not over bothered about boxes. It'll probably end up thrown away anyway. And there, as you can see, the steps fell out. They're separate. I've put them on since this video. I've clipped them in. It's very easy to clip them in, they just clip in underneath. Well, straight away you can see it's a nice model. Very nice looking. Very detailed. Anyway, a bit closer. As you can see, it's got the unit number on and generator units emblazoned on the side. The chassis and wheels are lovely detail. The thing that annoyed me a bit though, and it's only a small niggle, they printed the vents on the side. And for me, I'm going to be planning on weathering it at some point, and if it had been recessed details, it'd have been far better. But, no, what are you going to do? To be honest, it's a nice, unusual model. And as you can see, the actual grill in there is printed on. rather than engraved, which is a shame really, because in certain lights when it shines it just looks like what it is, a flat surface. But you can't complain really, for it's nice they actually did it rather than not, to be honest. And there's the footboards for underneath the coach. And we're back to out of focus, which ain't a bad thing. I did not cut this out. Anyway, for the... see, we're just over £17 markup. And it's, I suppose it's a good model for that. It's something unusual on the layout, and it's a welcome addition is what I'm saying. Yeah, and here we go, here's what's up next. I'll be showing it a bit better in a second. Boy, it's the Manchester Ship Canal. Sentinel shunter, and here we go. Here's the box. It's nice artwork on the box. It does what it says on the tin really. It says diesel locomotive. And show the back of the box in a second. So it gives all the history of the locomotive and everything, which is a nice touch. And here we go with the actual logo. And it's... I've got a few of these Sentinels now. I do have a soft spot for them. I bought the first three when Hornby had... when they first come out and they had the realistic pricing. But I only get them now when they're discounted. So this Manchester Ship Canal one, the livery's depicted lovely, and that, you know, the details beautiful on these Sentinels. I've got to admit, they've got the Rolls Royce badges on the Sentinel sword. That one, they've even gone to the trouble of painting the buffers, which is a nice welcome addition. And are we coming back again? Yeah. There we go, I'm just showing off the actual number. They've even done its fleet number on the buffer bay. Oh yeah, the interior's got a little bit of detailing on the interior, and here we go. And let Ernie have a look at it. Here we go. He does have an interest in getting up on the layout. He doesn't damage anything, bless him. So I allow him on. Once I start getting detailed things on him, I think I'll put something up so he can't get up on it. But while he's doing no harm, there's no harm in him mooching around. Like I say, he doesn't knock anything off or damage anything, so he's a good lad really. He's just fascinated really. And here we go, a bit of a slow speed pass with Kit and Kong in the background. If anybody can tell me where Kit and Kong comes from, I'll share a biscuit. There we go, another bit of a slow speed pass. They do look well, I've got to admit, the new Hornby ones. And here's Ernie again, king of all the surveys. He runs off from them, but he's really intrigued by them. What they do, everything. Pray tell me, what is this witchcraft? Electric mice. Gadzooks. Anyway, he's got off screen. There we go, coming round. Slowly but surely. And there we go, she'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. Here we go. A quick chug chug. And the generator unit does look well behind the shunter. Behind the road sentinel. Or in my case nowadays, sentinel. There we are, come the other way. Bit of slow motion, it's other way. But it'll look lovely once all my tracks weathered ballast is laid and the scenery's on. They'll look a lovely model. Coming round again. Watch it, the monkey will have your chocolate. Oh hey up, Kitten Kong's back. What's going on, Ernie lad? What's happening, Ernie lad? He's waiting for a train. I think there'll be one coming. Oh, here it is. Whoop, here it is. Stalking his prey. Stalking the electric mouse. Oh no, instant panic, it's coming back. I love it how he's intrigued by him. And there we go. Woo. I think he reckons he could still drive one of them, you know. How hard can it be? Anyway, Eric really doesn't mind about what's going on up above. Gadzooks, what is this witchcraft from above? Yeah, he really doesn't care. He just chills out on his cushion. He can hear it and he goes, what's going on? You can see him listening, but otherwise he's really not bothered. Anyway, there we go. A nice little B7 scene. I got the other wink. Tatty